Look at this awesome garage sale find. It was great. Took it apart. Now we got to clean up the swords because you can see how tarnished they are. That were parts that were covered. Nice. Over here, not so nice. So we're going to get out some polishing compound, buffing wheel. See if we can clean these things up a little bit. Make them an awesome display item. Toledo Spain. That's who made these. Like a tourist novelty that people buy. Pretty well made though. Don't know how old it is. All the carving is nice. All done by hand. Crest. Somebody carved their name off of it. We got our handles all taped up so they don't get polish on them. We have a whole bunch of different polishes, scrub pads, and a motorized buffer. I'm going to try to clean these things up. I hooked this thing up. It's a plastic bristle brush made by 3M. Does a pretty good job. It's not too aggressive, so I was able to get into a lot of the parts on the handles here, so did a halfway decent job. So this was round one. We got a major cleaning. Pretty good. I got a helper in here, my son, giving me a hand. Somebody took a chisel to whatever was written in here, and they did a really lousy job of cutting it out. So I don't like how it looks. I am going to cut a piece of copper, kind of cover over it, either attach it with screws or maybe to glue it on something, and then I could write something in there. Family name, Scrap Daddy's Garage, who knows, we'll figure it out. Let me cut a piece of metal first to put in there. Quick snip. Got a little plate. Now we'll put this thing back together. All done. It's the perfect gift. Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching.